Hello, my little freaks. It's Mrs. Glass. You already know. Happy Monday. I'm making dinner, and Chef Boyardee is gonna make some stir-fried rice. I have the best neighbor in the world, and he made his barbecue yesterday. So we're just gonna use the leftover meat and put it in some leftover rice, and I'll show you the process. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Glass, and make sure that you're following me across all of my social media platforms so you can enter to win $500. This is a true wok that I'm using, my little freaks. So first we just started with the diced onions, mixed veggies. Just wanna salt, pepper, toss them around a little bit. Then you get your handy dandy boyfriend, husband, girlfriend, lover to chop up all your meat. You're gonna add the meat to the wok. Yum. Mix this all around. Try to chop the meat as little as possible. The meat's already cooked, so you don't have to do much cooking. You're kind of warming it up. And the rice is already cooked as well. You want to make sure that you do use usually day-old rice. Just make sure that your rice is cold. Now, you want to move the meat and your veggies over to the side. Now, you start cracking eggs. Now you add the rice on top of everything. You mix it around. And then you're gonna add soy sauce. And this, my little freaks, is how you make homemade fried rice. Buen provecho! This is the final result. I suggest everyone get a wok. It really makes such a difference. Let's eat!
Let's try it. Oh my god. This is so good. That was divine.
Let me know if you guys try it at home. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I love you, my little freaks. Bye!